This is the Honor Magic 8 Pro, the phone everyone's suddenly talking about. It's not just another Android flagship, it's packing a 200-megapixel camera, a dedicated AI button, and one of the fastest chips of 2025. So, is this the year Honor finally challenges Samsung and Apple? Let's find out. The Magic 8 Pro looks and feels premium. Curved glass, aluminum frame, and a near bezel-less 6.8-inch OLED screen that hits over 2,800 nits of brightness. It's smooth at 120 Hz, sharp at 2K resolution, and easily one of the brightest displays on any phone right now. Honor's secret weapon is that 200-megapixel periscope lens. It delivers crisp zoom photos up to 13x with almost no detail loss. And even in low light, images hold up impressively well. The 50MP main sensor and 32MP ultra-wide back it up nicely, giving you flagship-grade shots across the board. The Magic 8 Pro's standout feature is the AI button. Tap it once, and it can summarize videos, translate on-screen text, or even generate to-do lists from what you're reading. It's powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, which absolutely flies through gaming and multitasking. And with a 5,500 mAh battery and 100W charging, you can go from 0 to full in under half an hour. So yeah, the Honor Magic 8 Pro is fast, beautiful, and smarter than almost anything else on Android right now. The only downside? It's not officially available in the US yet, though imports are already selling for around $1,100. If Honor brings this globally with strong software support, this could be the sleeper hit of 2025. What do you think? Would you switch from Samsung or iPhone for this? Drop your thoughts below, hit that like button if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.